everyone, it's Linda with What's Linda Cooking. You know sheet pan meals are my jam. I absolutely love sheet pan meals, one pot meals, anything like that. So this one, I was at my daughter's house and she had some chicken breast, so I cut it up into chunks, just kind of like bite-sized chunks. I made a nice marinade with maple syrup, oil, rice vinegar, some red pepper, salt and pepper, and some garlic powder. Just mix that up and marinated the chicken in it. But first, I par-cooked a little bit of sweet potatoes. So you can see that right there. And the Brussels sprouts I cut in half. Then put that marinade on them and bake them in the oven at 400 degrees. In the meantime, marinated the chicken. When it came out about halfway through the cooking time, about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, mixed it up and then added the chicken back in, put it in the oven for another 15 minutes or so, 20 minutes or so, and there it is. Steaming, delicious sheet pan meal. What are you cooking up? I would love to hear. Bye for now.